Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X200 Pro, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up, and from the boot options you just want to simply select power off. Now when the device turns off, again hold power button and volume up at the same time. Let go of the power button when you see the VIVO logo, and then this will take you to the fast boot mode, which at this point you can also let go of volume up. Next, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down, so press volume down and select recovery mode, confirm it with the power button and give it a moment. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options like install software, basically updates, check system, enter safe mode, or clear data, which consists of cache wipe or just a factory reset of the device. And then at the bottom we have two different ways of leaving this mode. So I'm going to select restart and OK, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.